So hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title, I've got an Hermes unboxing today. The package is here with me. I haven't opened it. I've had it for a long time, maybe like 2 months or something, because I wanted to share the excitement once again with you guys. I've got my iPad here to actually see when I got it. So yeah, my phone actually broke down today, literally right now it's breaking. It's on, I don't know if you guys have experienced it, but when the Apple screen is just on black and you can see the little Apple logo and it just stays on that. So that's what my phone's on at the moment. But thank God for my iPad, because I'm not that fast. It's happened to me before and I was fast, but this time I'm not that fast because I got my iPad. So yeah, I ordered it on the 24th of February, and today is the 2nd of May, and I ordered it on the 24th of February, literally. So I've had it for over 2 months so that I can do the unboxing. So literally it's in the original packaging. Nothing's opened at all, so yeah, I'm literally going to open it with you guys. So I'm excited because yeah, I haven't seen them yet, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to try and open it now. I don't have anything to open it with at the moment, so I'm going to just use my hands. Just a plain white box. And that's what it says. Then we've got the Hermes. Yeah, very cute packaging. Looks very cute. It looks so tiny for what I ordered. Okay, I thought I could just take it out straight away, but it's strapped in. It's even like elastic. That's very good, sturdy. So yeah, there we are. Take it. So that's the actual box, and then this was on top of the box. So let's see what it is. So I brought the camera closer so that I can open it. It's actually cellophane, it's sealed. So basically this is the receipt. And I can already see something about 14 days. I've had this for over 2 months, so ain't no returning. I love the stamp, the hot stamp. I think that looks so cute. It's engraved or embossed. I think that's the certification as well, and this is the receipt of purchase, proof of purchase. There we go. So that's what was in this envelope. And we have the famous Hermes box. It's actually got Hermes 2021. It's very cute. So I know I didn't mention what it was that I ordered, but I think you can see that from the title. But yeah, let's open it now. I don't think I can pull it. So here. Oh, it already looks cute. Dropping them already. But yeah, let's open it. We've got a dust bag for each shoe. Yeah. So this is what I got. And these are called the Aloha Sandals. I need it to focus. These are the rubber sandals. I actually did not know about these. I went on these because I wanted to find the Oran sandals, and I came across these actually, and it was the last one that they had in my size. I got it online. So yeah, the last one that they had in all sizes actually, and it was in my size. So I thought, yeah, let me get them, because I had never seen them and I didn't know when I would see them again in life. So I thought, let me get them, and I did, and I had them sitting there for over 2 months, and I finally seen them in person. So yeah, they're rubber sandals. These were £240. I got them on the actual Hermes site, and yeah, I don't think you can get them anymore because I've recently gone on and it says go in store for them, but now all the shops are open. When I got them, the shops were closed, so I'm sure you can probably get them in store. But yeah, these are them. I think they're so nice. So I can't wait to wear them. But yeah, these are my Hermès Aloha sandals. You can see the underneath. But yeah, they're cute. What do you think? I think they're very cute, and I think they're worth it. So yeah, that is my Hermès unboxing. So yeah, you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think of them, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.